Embark on a journey of digital transformation with Digital Transformation. Top 10 Tech Solutions Reshaping Businesses Today. In this illuminating guide, we'll explore cutting-edge technologies, revolutionizing the business landscape. Join us as we unveil transformative solutions from cloud computing to artificial intelligence, empowering businesses to thrive in the digital era. Whether you're a business leader or tech enthusiast, get ready to discover the top solutions reshaping industries. It's time to embrace the power of innovation and navigate the evolving landscape of digital transformation for a brighter, more efficient future. Today, we will talk about digital transformation. Top 10 Tech Solutions Reshaping Businesses Today. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Digital transformation has become an imperative for businesses looking to thrive in today's rapidly evolving landscape. The integration of innovative technologies is reshaping traditional business models, enhancing operational efficiency, and creating new avenues for growth. In this comprehensive exploration, we delve into the top 10 tech solutions that are at the forefront of digital transformation, driving change and redefining the way businesses operate in the contemporary world. 1. Cloud computing, the foundation of flexibility. Cloud computing is the linchpin of digital transformation, offering businesses scalable and flexible computing resources, from infrastructure as a service, IaaS, to software as a service, SaaS. Cloud solutions empower organizations to streamline operations, reduce costs, and enhance collaboration. Cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud are enabling businesses to scale seamlessly and adapt to changing market demands. 2. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. Intelligent insights, AI and ML technologies are revolutionizing how businesses process and analyze data. From predictive analytics and personalized customer experiences to automation of routine tasks, AI and ML solutions provide intelligent insights that drive informed decision-making. Chatbots, recommendation engines, and predictive maintenance systems are just a few examples of how AI is reshaping customer interactions and operational processes. 3. Internet of Things, IoT, connected ecosystems. The Internet of Things, IoT, is creating interconnected ecosystems where devices communicate and share data. Businesses are leveraging IoT to enhance operational efficiency, monitor assets in real time, and gather valuable insights. In manufacturing, IoT sensors on equipment enable predictive maintenance, reducing downtime. In retail, IoT facilitates smart inventory management and personalized customer experiences. 4. Blockchain, transforming trust and transactions. Blockchain technology is redefining how businesses establish trust in transactions. Its decentralized and transparent nature makes it an ideal solution for secure and tamper-resistant record-keeping. Beyond cryptocurrencies, blockchain is being used in supply chain management, ensuring transparency and traceability. Smart contracts on blockchain platforms like Ethereum automate and enforce contract terms, reducing the need for intermediaries. 5. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, streamlining operations. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, is automating repetitive and rule-based tasks, allowing employees to focus on more complex and creative work. RPA solutions are being employed in finance, HR, and customer service to streamline processes like data entry, invoice processing, and customer inquiries. 6. Cybersecurity solutions, safeguarding digital assets. As businesses digitize their operations, the need for robust cybersecurity solutions has never been more critical. Advanced cybersecurity technologies, including threat intelligence, endpoint protection, and encryption, are essential in protecting digital assets from cyber threats. With the rise of remote work, securing networks and data has become a top priority for businesses to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of their information. 7. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, enhancing experiences. AR and VR technologies are transforming customer experiences and employee training. In retail, AR is used for virtual try-ons, enhancing the online shopping experience. In manufacturing, VR is employed for immersive training simulations. These technologies bridge the gap between the physical and digital worlds, offering businesses innovative ways to engage customers and provide immersive training experiences. 8. Edge computing. Processing data locally. Edge computing brings data processing closer to the source of data generation, reducing latency and optimizing bandwidth usage. This is particularly crucial for applications that demand real-time processing, such as IoT devices and autonomous vehicles. Edge computing is reshaping how businesses harness and utilize data, enabling faster decision-making and enhancing the efficiency of applications that require low-latency processing. 9. SaaS solutions. Scalable software applications. Software as a service, SaaS. Solutions provide businesses with scalable and cost-effective software applications, from customer relationship management, CRM, to enterprise resource planning, ERP. SaaS solutions offer flexibility and accessibility. Companies like Salesforce, Microsoft, and Adobe provide cloud-based SaaS applications that allow businesses to streamline processes, collaborate seamlessly, and stay up to date with the latest features. 10. Digital twins. Real-time simulations. Digital twins are virtual replicas of physical objects or systems. This technology is particularly valuable in manufacturing, where it enables real-time simulations and monitoring of physical assets. Digital twins allow businesses to optimize performance, predict maintenance needs, and simulate changes before implementing them in the physical world. As businesses continue to embrace digital transformation, it's essential to consider the synergies between these technologies. Integrating cloud computing with AI, IoT, and cybersecurity, for example, creates a robust and interconnected digital ecosystem. Moreover, organizations must address challenges related to data privacy, security, and ethical considerations to ensure responsible and sustainable digital practices. In conclusion, the ongoing digital transformation is not just about adopting individual technologies. It's about reimagining business processes, enhancing customer experiences, and fostering a culture of innovation. The businesses that successfully navigate this transformative landscape will not only stay competitive, but also position themselves as leaders in the ever-evolving digital economy. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.